Welcome back to the channel. We are heading off to the Dordogne region in this episode, and we are going to stay in a place called Clairac. It's on the river Sarlat. We're going to do some kayaking hopefully, and we're going to spend a few days and just chill out really and just see some sights.
We've had a bit of a nightmare journey.
Oh, proper nightmare journey.
Chang took a wrong turning.
Why did I take a wrong turning, though, Laura?
Well, because he doesn't listen to instructions.
Lie.
Oh, this looks lovely, this.
Yeah.
And we can park it. It's a beautiful night. As you can see, it's 21 degrees still. So I think we get the table and chairs out. A little glass of what do you fancy?
I'm injecting myself, I am with it. I'm
You
after that
deserve
journey.
it. Honestly, it's been a proper squeaky bottom journey.
I mean, there was this lane as well with the, what's it called, tractor.
Oh, yes.
Oh my God,
Within a hair's whisker, wasn't it?
Unbelievable.
And we had deviations, couldn't go the way we wanted. So I've got a nice bottle of Cremant de Bordeaux, which is my new favourite fizz, at £4.99. So I'm going to stock up on that. And we're just going to sit out in the sun while it lasts. So we're not allowed in the kayak. So, you know, that's where we were yesterday with the dogs.
Yeah.
We have to go all the way around the restaurant and we access it from there.
Right, okay. So with this here, all you do is you scan this barcode, go onto their website, and we go straight to British anyway, or English, or whatever you want to call it, English, Welsh. And then you put your details in there, how long you want.
Yeah. So we've gone for 3 hours.
Yeah. And then that's it. And then it just gives you a code, which I'm gonna do now. So we probably need another SIM card in there. How long this is gonna take me to do? Right then.
So I think you just put that on the padlock. And while he's doing that, a lovely restaurant. This is where we're going to head into. Oh, what these two will be like on it. Does it work? No.
I wonder if there's a time thing on it.
Oh, yeah. It's not 1 o'clock yet.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. We're in. Okay. How are we going to do this? My hero. If I knew the Baywatch song, I'd be singing it. It's flipping heavy, this. I've given up because it's just too heavy. Is dragging it easier than what we were doing?
No.
Oh, look at you. Macho man.
Don't feel like it.
Oh, shush, cubby. It's flipping big and it's flipping heavy. I am beyond excited about this. The only thing that can ruin this
Well, just let go of it, we lose
is
it
these
straight
two. Yeah, these two could ruin it. Jeff's not got his sea legs, has he?
Huh?
Jeff's not got sea legs. Oh, cubby can't wait. Look, he's like, oh, let's do it, let's do it.
Oh,
Right, oh God, we've got wet dogs already.
that's right.
Should we get them in first? I almost feel like if I sit in first,
Yeah.
then they'll follow. Oh my God, you're so wet, boys. Graceful. Okay, I'm in.
Watch our phone.
Jeez. Cubby's okay. Cubby's in.
Come on, Jeff.
Okay, lovely. Thanks, boys. Awesome.
Need a hand there?
Just need it bigger. Obviously, there was a small child in this before me.
Yeah. Nothing to do with the size of your breasts.
Right. Okay, I'm in.
Right, you have that.
Jeffrey, sit
You'll
down.
settle down, I'm sure. Oh.
Sit down, Jeff. Oh, wrong way. Jeffrey, sit down. Come on. In. Yeah, there you go. You can come close to me if you want. What's this for?
I think I've got this on backwards, haven't I?
I don't know, really.
Yeah, I was doing my tight on my neck.
No.
Are they supposed to be for legs? Because if it is, they're massive.
Oh, God. Cubby's already out.
Come on, Cubs. Cubby.
Cubby.
Cubs, this way.
Cubs, this way, Dylan. Oh. No, Jeff, stay. Right, I can't do this with the GoPro. Jeffrey, you stay in here. Jeff, stay.
Have you got him in?
Yes, he's in.
Yes?
Oh my God. Well done. Oh, amazing.
I wouldn't well done me yet.
You're in though, aren't you? Yes. Right, we're in. Yeah, grab one. Oh, that's all right, Jeff. I've got you. Oh, look at us! We're off! Well, that was all very easy. Beautiful. We love it already. You haven't got what? No, I've got him. It means I'm not paddling, but you seem to be doing all right. I've got the boys. I've got you. You can sit next to me. Taken to it after that first little jump in. He was just like, not for me. I'll go back to Margot, thank you. Oh, there's a little waterfall over there. Where are you taking us?
Oh, I was going to go and have a look at that waterfall, but...
We're all going into this tree instead.
No, I'm going into the tree instead. Hello, tree!
Oh, sit back, Jeff. Whee! Oh, that's nicer in the shade. It is so hot.
Yeah.
We're just heading into Sarlat, La Caneda. So that's in the Dordogne village. Apparently it's world renowned for its great food, history and walkability. So I'm reading Robbie Rome's Road Trip France has been really good for us actually, and it's given us some really good pointers. And apparently there's a really beautiful medieval centre, well preserved. So I think it's, what time is it? We should be getting in about 1:30, so I'm hoping we might be able to go and get some lunch. But it all depends what time lunch is served until, really, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And then apparently there's a beautiful cathedral, so we're going to look around that if the doggos are allowed in. And we're going to pull into, we found a camping car park. Right, here we go. So some of these camping car parks are pretty and have lots of grass and things. This one's literally just a car park. Right, what side do we want?
Just coming into the medieval part of the city. It's nice. You go left or right, I suppose, love, or straight down? Come on, Cubs. Imagine this going to be quite busy this summer. Right, perfect, just like this. What's it called, this?
Earth coquette truff, which is
truffled egg casserole. Really yummy. So, we're going halvesies, aren't we?
Yeah.
That's it for this episode. Thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a like and subscribe. That'd be great. That would really help us. And you join us next episode when we are going to head to Sunday and we hunt down a pretty cool famous restaurant that I've been wanting to go to for years, and the food was absolutely phenomenal. And we just have some great laughs walking around the chateaus and all things good like that.